Hello friends, welcome to this session and tutorial series on AWS Certified Solution Architect Associate Preparation. I am Praveen, a Google Cloud Authorized Trainer. I will be trainer for you for this entire course. I have certification from multiple hyperscaler and cloud provider like Amazon Web Services, Microsoft Azure, and Google Cloud. You can connect me and follow me on LinkedIn with my first name and last name. If you are new to this tutorial series, then also follow my two other playlists. One is AWS Certified Solution Architect Hands-On and another is AWS Certified Solution Architect Question and Answers. If you are new to my channel, please like it, subscribe it and hit the bell icon so you get notified when I will publish new video. Without wasting any time, let's get started. Hello friends, welcome back. This is 7th session of this tutorial series and today we are going to sign up for AWS Free Account and also we will understand different feature of AWS Free Account. So when we play around, we do hands-on, then we won't get charged. So let's get started. To do that, let's go to the browser and we search AWS Free Account, and here first option, okay, AWS Free Tier. Let's open it, and here we see option to create a free account. Before that, let's understand what AWS offers in AWS Free Tier account. Okay, so if you scroll down here, we see in AWS Free Tier we have three type of free services, okay, or free offers. One is always free. It's mean there are some AWS services which are always free at certain condition. Okay, we will look into it in details. Okay, another category is 12-month free. It's mean there are some services which are again free for 12 month. Okay, again there are some conditions. Okay, so again we are going to understand this. And another category is trials. It means there are also some AWS services which we can use for certain period of time or at certain amount the day we activate. Okay, so that's called trial period. So we can use as a trial some of AWS services. Okay, if you scroll down, let's accept this. If you scroll down and here in the tier type we see 12-month free, always free and trials. Okay, now let's understand this one by one. Okay, let's understand always free. Okay, always free, take example of Amazon DynamoDB. What they are saying, Amazon DynamoDB 25 GB storage, 25 GB of storage. It's mean DynamoDB you can have 25 GB of storage for lifetime, 10 years, 15 years, and AWS not going to charge for you. So this is always free. Another example, AWS Lambda is saying AWS Lambda 1 million free requests per month. It's mean 1 million requests per month. Okay, will be always free regardless of years and month. Let's scroll down. Okay, here another example, Amazon CloudWatch 10 custom metrics and alarm. Okay, so 10 custom metrics and alarm will be always free for you. Okay, so like this there are many AWS services which are always free at certain condition. Okay, so that we need to understand and we need to use accordingly. And you see the this numbers of AWS services. Okay, so go spend some time, read it, understand it and use it accordingly. Now let's understand 12-month free. Okay, in 12-month free we see services like EC2 instance. Okay, RDS, CloudFront. Okay, so these services are free for 12 months, and you know these are some basic services. Okay, we need to understand in very detail. It's mean these all services are free for us, but there are some conditions, right? These conditions are Amazon EC2 750 hours per month. Okay, and there is a certain instance family. For that instance type we can use 750 hours per month, means whole month we can run a EC2 instance and AWS not going to charge us. Same goes for the RDS. Okay, we can run RDS for 750 hours. Okay, and family type is DBT2 micro. Okay, and for 12 months they are not going to charge us. Okay, in Amazon S3 we can put 5 GB of storage. Okay, for 12 months, for 12 month, no additional cost. Okay, API gateway 1 million request. Okay, EFS 5 GB of EFS storage for 12 month completely free. Elastic Bean is stack 30 GB of storage completely free for 12 month. Okay, so these are AWS services. Again, you can come and look at here, and these are free for the 12 month. Okay, now here trial. Okay, let's understand this. This is very important. Okay, in trial it's saying, let's take example of Amazon SageMaker. Okay, so Amazon SageMaker is free for 2 month free trial, which means we can use Amazon SageMaker for 2 months. Okay, and they are not going to charge us. Okay, and this date will start from day you will activate this service. Okay, Amazon Guard Duty. So Amazon Guard Duty is free for 30 days. Okay, the day you enable Guard Duty, okay, in your account, from that day next 30 days they are not going to charge. Okay, look at another service. Amazon Inspector is available for the 90 days free for free trial. Okay, so like this there are many AWS services, okay, we can use as a trial. Okay, and no, and these are good enough for this certification preparation. Okay, so if we plan well, use well, okay, we understand this trial always free and 12-month free. Okay, and if we use with some strategy, so we are not going to be charged. If we can get charged, then maximum 2 to 3 euro. Okay, not more than from this, but still you need to know how to use these AWS services. I hope it makes sense. Now let's go and create AWS free account. Okay, to create free account we need to click here, create a free account, and it's going to take us on the new window. And here we have to follow 5 steps. Okay, on the first step is asking your email address. So basically I already created a account, okay, for this session. So I'm not going to complete this, but let me give some sample email ID. This is my demo account at the rate gmail.com. Okay, now it's asking password. Let me generate password. Okay, and password, another password, account name, this is my demo account, and continue. Not now. Okay, now we are on the second page. Okay, step 2. Here we need to tell AWS how are we going to use this account. Is this for business purpose or this is for the personal purpose? For us this is personal purpose, so we will select personal one. Okay, we need to give full name. Let me give my name Praveen Kumar. It's asking some phone number. I'll give some random number. Select country. I am in Finland, so I will select. Okay, anyways, I'm not able to select it. Let it be Argentina. Okay, address, let me give, this is my address, city is city, state is state, and let me give some pin code, and then we need to accept terms and condition and continue. After that it's asking credit card. Okay, let me give the credit card details here. This is invalid credit card, so please don't use. Okay, here I can give year and expiry date. Okay, and card holder name. Praveen Kumar, and use my current address. Okay, verify and continue. And now we are on step 4. Okay, after that, here I need to give my actual phone number. Okay, I'm in Finland, so I need to select the country code. And when I give my phone number, and I will enter this security checks number, okay, and send SMS, then it's going to send me SMS, okay, SMS with the code, and that code I need to use for verification, okay. So now screen will looks like this. Here we need to give code which you will receive on your phone, okay. Then verify. Once you verify, then it will we get this, then we get this message, you have been successfully identified, okay. Continue. After that, we need to select, this is the fifth step. Here we need to select support plan, okay. So here there is four support plan: basic plan, developer plan, business plan, and enterprise plan. For us, we are going to select free one. Select this and continue. After that, you will see this screen. It means you have successfully created your AWS account. Okay, friends, that's all for this session. Now we have AWS accounts. Okay, we are going to use this account throughout this session. And friends, this is last session. This is last session of general topic. After that, we are going to jump into AWS services. Okay, and next topic we are going to start identity and access management. That's all for today. See you in next session. Bye bye.